They ruled the land and conquered the sea. Rome's navy once dominated the entire Mediterranean. Mare Nostrum, they called it, our sea. But then, it vanished. What happened to Rome's legendary navy? In the 3rd century BCE, Rome built a naval force from scratch to challenge Carthage, and won. From the epic clash at Mylae to the decisive victory at Actium, Roman ships thundered across the waves, breaking empires and forging their own. Then, silence. With the Mediterranean secured, the need for a massive navy faded. Rome no longer feared pirates or rival fleets. Why maintain an armada when the sea itself was yours? Over time, shipyards rusted, naval training declined. Resources shifted to defend land borders. The Rhine, the Danube. Barbarian invasions weren't coming from the sea. They were marching across frozen rivers. But Rome's navy didn't completely disappear. In the east, the Byzantine Empire rose, heirs to Rome's legacy. They kept the triremes afloat, developed Greek fire, and ruled the Aegean for centuries. The Roman navy didn't fall in a great battle. It was outpaced by time, strategy, and shifting threats. From mighty warships to fading whispers, Rome's fleet sailed into history. A titan no longer needed. This is the forgotten fate of Rome's navy.